Now we will start exercise 1. Discriminating the CH digraph. The CH digraph says ch, ch. Notice how my lips go out when I say the CH digraph. Ch, ch. Now you try it. Repeat after me. Ch, ch. Very good. Look at each word in the word bank list and practice saying the initial digraph in each word. I will say the word 2 times, and you will repeat the word 2 times. Let's begin. Chin, chin. Chalk, chalk. Check, check. Chair, chair. Chapel, chapel. Cheek, cheek. Cheese, cheese. Chef, chef. Notice how the word chef makes the sh sound. The CH digraph can make the ch sound or the sh sound. So listen carefully. Let's try it again. Chef, chef. Good job. Next word. Chess, chess. Chief, chief. Chimp, chimp. Champion, champion. Cheetah, cheetah. Cherry, cherry. Chick, chick. Child, child. Chin, chin. Channel, channel. Very good job discriminating the CH.